Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, an MBA, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert, and a business enthusiast for the last 18 plus years. And I'm here helping 3 kinds of people. Number 1, people who want to start their business online with whatever expertise they have. Number 2, people who do have a business offline, they want to take it in an online platform. Number 3, people who are doing pretty well but they're not able to grow and upscale. So me, Alok, as a business coach is going to strategize, give you a specific business strategy for your business to upscale and grow. So owners, entrepreneurs, I'm here to tell you about business, and today I'm going to talk about what you should be selling, right? So we all know that a business is a mutually agreed contract between a buyer and a seller, right? Now we always understand that there has to be a product and a service to be sold. That's fair, it's done. But what actually you should be selling? There are people who are talking about different things. Some people say that you should be selling a product. Some people say you'd be selling a service. There are products which needs post-sale service as well. So you can sell a product as well as a service post your sales is done. Right? Now, what else? Then comes the actual thing. Product and service. People talk that you should be selling your product and service on the basis of the features. Some people say no, features are not done. People are not interested to know the features. People are interested to know the benefits. Yes, it's really fair. People should be knowing the benefits, and that is what your unique selling point should be. But I'm going to add some more things to it, right? What I'm going to tell you is, product is okay, service is okay, post-sale services are okay, features and benefits are all okay. But what triggers the buyer is, you know what? Mind it. The outcome of the product which you are going to sell them, a product or a service. Understand the outcome, how it is going to transform his or her life once they start using your product. And as I said earlier, people buy only because of 2 reasons. One is the need and one is the fear. So if they understand that by utilizing your product, they are going to be version 2.0 or version 3.0, then it's going to make sense for them to spend money on your product and service. Or they want a peace of mind, the fear factor. If they are really understanding that if I have this product, I'll be having peace of mind, so they'll buy. So what ultimately it results in? It results in the net outcome of the product and service which you are going to sell to the customer, right? So please make a note that don't sell any product on its features, on its benefits. Try to sell the product on the outcome which you are going to give them, or the transformation which you are going to give them once they start using your product and service. So I hope it made sense. From now onwards, start doing it. Start talking about the outcome and the transformation which they are going to get, your customers are going to get by using your product or your service. That's it for now. See you in my next video. Bye bye.